So she said, classy, in order to make this type of cake that I just showed you here in this picture, you are going to get some pans or pan that will look exactly like the one I'm showing you. So that's why I'm here in the shop to check if I could find the exact pan that she showed to me. But unfortunately I can't find it. I only found this. This is 24 cm. I think I will take one of these and then take a smaller one. That is, how many cm please? 20 cm. Yeah, this will make sense. Or I would rather take two of this and one of the little one. How would the cake look like? Let's see. It wouldn't look bad. Let me try other pans too. Okay, I'm back from shopping. You can see all the things I bought. Can you see them? Where I packed them. Ignore the mess. I will arrange later. So I will be going back home. Sweet home. But I think I'm gonna stop by to get other stuff. This shop doesn't have it, so I will check in another shop to get the remaining things. Since it's weekend, practically I'm gonna make more than one dish. Like I told you while I was at the shop, I was going to bake an event cake. Here are the ingredients that I bought. We have 250 gram flour, and here it is. 250 gram butter. Here you have it. 250. And you have I would have to take 200 gram sugar, 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder. This is the spoon, and this is the baking powder I'm going to use. I think one of these is for 500. One of these is for 500 gram flour. Hand to make the video and at the same time make other things. Now I'm adding the butter, the 250 gram butter. I'm adding also the 200 gram of sugar. I'm going to mix the butter and sugar till it becomes very fluffy. Sorry, I'm using one hand. You just have to pardon me and bear with me. I'm done with the mixing of butter and sugar. Now I would want to whisk my egg. pouring this bit by bit, but since I'm only using one hand, I just have to pour it all. And then mix. My flour too, after which I will keep mixing. I have already turned on my oven so that it keeps heating. Texture very nice. You are meant to also grease the pan. I'm going to grease this pan before adding the liquids, before adding the mixture, and then I will put them in the oven. My 3 pans are ready. I'm going to drop them in the oven now. So come along with me. Sorry I can't video why I'm taking it there, because I can only use one hand at a time. Okay, they're in the oven now. I'm gonna shut the oven so it gets hot. Catch you when it's done. My 3 pans of cake. The 3 layers are done. The bigger one, the middle one, and the smaller one. I make this cream that I'll be putting in between. I used an already made one. I just added milk and then whip it to have this texture. So I'm going to make these layers now and decorate them. I also got this is for the body. I'll put it around the body before it gets ready. Well, we are going to meet again when I'm on it. For now, I have to turn off the phone so I will be able to use my hands. Catch you then. I just brought out the cake from his pan. I'll be using a knife to chop off the first layer, after which I coat it with the cream. This cream and also the fondant. I'm going to use this. It's an already made fondant that I will use on it. You will see it when I'm done. I will repeat these same procedures until all the 3 layers are done, are coated well, are done. I mean all the 3 pans you are seeing here. They will be the layers of the cake. So I will repeat it until I'm done with the 3 of them. Okay. See how it's going. I'm going to chop off the first layer because I just have to make this short video so you can see what I'm doing. But I'm turning it off to get back later. I'm done with chopping it off. I'm going to remove it. You see? And clear it. This is how I would do all the 3 layers. The same process. It's time for the cream. I'll just have to make a short video because I can't handle it with one hand recording and one hand doing this and doing. The cream has to be in between the cakes, because when I'm done with this, I'm gonna add the other layers on top of this one. So this one is just for the in between of the cake, like I said, while this one goes around the cake when I'm done. This is how it's going so far. I'm trying to make it smooth with this tool. With this. Okay, just coating this, the smallest one. You get to see others one. It's done. It's messy, but remember, this is my first time. We keep on practicing until we become so perfect. Stay tuned on this channel as we keep getting entertained and learning at the same time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out for the jollof rice in my next video. Thanks so much for being here, and always subscribe and also share with your friends and family. Bye for now.